Welcome, everyone. You're now watching the Factory In-House Live Show of 2021 TaipeiPLAS and ShoeTech Taipei. I'm Jada, your host today. The 2021 TaipeiPLAS and ShoeTech Taipei has been transformed into a unique and brand new digital event as online exhibition and DigitalGo. Due to pandemic, even though we cannot meet face-to-face in physical trade show, don't worry. I'm going to bring you to visit our exhibitors factory in Taiwan through internet. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave in chat box in words. We will answer them in Q&A section. Now let me bring you to TENSO. TENSO is the expert of robots and robot arms. Now let's welcome Mr. Ivan Chen. He's the Global Marketing Manager. Hello, Ivan. Now, let's follow Ivan to visit TENSO's factory. Let's go.
Hi, everyone. This is Ivan Chen. I'm Marketing Manager of the TENSO Machinery. And welcome to live show of the factory in-house tour. And first of all, I will thank you for joining us. TENSO Machinery was founded in 1985. Our main product is focused on automatic robot for plastic injection molding machine. And our robot family can be matching with the 50 tons to 5,000 tons injection molding machine. And our professional is high-speed robot for pick and place and insert molding or in-mold labeling system. And today, don't forget today's topics. I will going to show you the large size robots. And today we have a great honor to visit our customer factory in the Tonglo Industry Parks. The Keyway Plastic Corporation is founded in 1965. They focus on the production plastic houseware products and selling. And they have a very strong marketing share in the Taiwan local market. They have the over 100 set injection molding machine for 24 hours working. The maximum injection molding machine up to the 4,000 tons. TENSO Machinery was be their automation supplier over 30 years. This, so spectacular, is a 4,000 ton injection molding machine. And cooperation with the TEL series TENSO ultra large robots. The vertical stock is up to the 4,000 millimeters, and grab capacity is up to the 70 kilogram. The full cycle time just only takes 40 seconds to finish it. And don't forget, it's a vertical stock up to the 4,000 millimeters big guy. And this kind of this big robot is very matching for the production car bumper and dash panel for pilots. TEL series robot is very, very popular in the United States marketing for production of auto parts, and also popular in North Africa for production of pilots. And TENSO Machinery just not longer focus on the manufacture and sell the robot. We try to be our best to transfer to a total solution provider. And if you like our products or interested in our robot products, for more information about TENSO Machinery, please contact with us. And you can click a link to visit TaipeiPLAS DigitalGo event or visit our website or YouTube channel. And thanks for your time. I appreciate it. And thanks for watching as always. Thank you. I will see you next time. Thank you.
Hi, welcome back. I would like to welcome anyone. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave in the chat box now. Also, I would like to welcome Mr. Ivan Chen, the Global Marketing Manager of TENSO, to join us for the Q&A section. Hello, Ivan.
Hi, hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you perfectly and loud.
Thank you.
Hi, hello. Welcome, Ivan, to join us.
Yes.
We would like to welcome anyone. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave in the chat box now. Okay, we have one question from Eugene. Eugene would like to know, if the product is too large and the weight is too heavy, how can the robot solve this problem? Please, Ivan.
Okay. The grab load is basically is not a problem for our robot system. Our large size robot grab load capacity is up to the 70 kilogram, 70. So for the big size product, what we should be worried about is what if the product is wider than the tie bar, wider than the tie bar. We usually face this problem in the automotive industry. Okay, for example, the production of the large size bumper for LSUV, the big size SUV. Under this situation, we will add one more servo axis at the end of the arm, become the four axis robots. After demo the product, and before robots goes up, the C axis will be turned 45 degrees to bypass the tie bar to solve the challenge. Yes, and we have a project same as this situation, and I will gonna share the video with you later, and I will put the links at the end of the video description. If you are interested with it, please click the link to visit our YouTube channel.
System in US?
Oh, local system. Okay. We saw the more than 50 set of the robot, 50 set of a robot and the automation system in the US in the first 3 quarters of the 2021 in this year. And also due to the increasing demand for the injection automation and the injection made robot in the North American market. So we are currently looking for a local agent for meet with our needs. And for sure, if you are interested in our robot system or you want to be our local agent, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.
Thank you, Ivan, and thank you, Eugene, for the questions. Anyone having other questions, please feel free to leave in the chat box now. Or Ivan, you mentioned you have some links on the YouTube channel. Could you also put in the chat box so that the audience, they can check later and they can contact you?
I will gonna show here and in the links.
Great. Thank you, Ivan. We saw the link. If there's no further questions, I would like to wrap up today's activity. If you have any question, if you are sourcing for any Taiwan plastic robbery and shoe tech machines, please make sure to visit TaipeiPLAS.com.tw and shoetech.com.tw for more details. And if you are interested in TENSO's robot arms, please make sure to visit TENSO.com.tw for more services and also the link that Ivan just provided. Thank you, Ivan, for joining us. And I would like to thank all the audience for your watching. Thank you. Keep healthy and happy. See you soon next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.